Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neetu Chandel and you are watching It's All About Daily Technology. So today video is going to be very useful for OnePlus phone user, because in this video I am going to share a very important hack via which you can actually use any audio device as an external mic in OnePlus 7 or any variant phone. You might have heard that OnePlus phone does not support external mic, but via using this particular hack you will get the same feel as external mic. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Welcome back guys. So have you seen my previous videos on Boya mic and how to use Boya mic on any Android phone? If you're not, then do hit this I button and do watch that video, because that video is going to be connected with this video, not that much but little bit. So now start today's hack. You might have heard that OnePlus phone does not support external mic, and I have tried couple of wired microphone in OnePlus phone and actually it didn't support. So I thought of checking with OnePlus 7 call center, and also I have checked with couple of website and I did research and I got to know that basically OnePlus 7 phone does not support external mic. Then I got this particular hack and I'm using this hack. This is really useful, so I would suggest you can go ahead and use this hack and comment and let me know if this is working for you. So let's start. For this, basically we need one application to be downloaded. That will be external application. This is very much available on Play Store. You need to download that application, and via that you will be recording your video, and you need to use any of your Bluetooth headset. So I'm using this Boat headset. If you have any other Bluetooth device, you can use that, and via that you can easily get the feel of external mic. So this particular Bluetooth headset will act as external mic in OnePlus 7 phone, and how that I'm going to tell you. So let's begin with first that application download part. So just go into Play Store.
So I have already opened my Play Store, and here I am going to search Cinema FV5 application. You can see in my history that is already been searched couple of times. Because of that it is reflecting over here. So once you will search, you will get this version, but below that there is one more version, Cinema FV5 GAE, sorry. So this is actually a pro version, and it is chargeable of 150 rupees per month. So if you want some video resolution to be updated, then maybe you can go for that. Otherwise Cinema FV5 Lite is the recommended one from my end. So you can see I have already started installing, and once you open that you will be getting notification to grant permission for your camera, microphone and certain other application. So you need to grant that, and you will be getting this notification that this particular application has been designed for maybe lower than 10 Android OS version, but that is fine, don't worry about that. It works on Android 10 as well. My phone is Android 10 and it is working fine. After this notification screen, you will have this welcome screen of camera. You just need to click next. Then it will be instructed to press the red button whenever you want to record, and this is how the screen will look while recording. Just click next, and here like it is showing how you can set for exposure, white balance setting. So I don't do that, so it is not recommended. Then on focusing section you will be getting an instruction that how you can change the focus of the camera. So it has got autofocus, manual focus as well. I record on autofocus mode only, but yeah, you can change it. Then there is advanced setting option. You will be getting by clicking on the top left hand side of the corner, and there you will find other options. So this is the first screen of camera. It will look like. So first thing you need to do, that go in settings, and in audio source you need to click on Bluetooth mic. So this is actually required when you want to use Bluetooth as an external mic. Now in video resolution, the highest resolution you will be getting, that is 1280 by 720. Do select that if it is not selected, and if you need above than this any other resolution, then definitely you will have to go for the pro version, which I stated earlier. Now you are all set to record a video using your OnePlus 7 phone and external Bluetooth mic. For that you just need to click on red button and your recording will start.
So this is how you can use any of your Bluetooth device in your OnePlus 7 phone and get the feel of external mic. So right now I am recording with my camera and this external mic. Next clip will be using that hack. So this is the clip I am recording via the same hack which I just shared with you. So I am using this Bluetooth device as an external mic and I am recording via that cinema application only.
I'm not sure if you have noticed or not the audio quality of external Bluetooth mic. If not, please go again in that section and watch. If you ignore the background noise, the audio quality will be as good as Boya mic, which I am using in Redmi Note 4. I hope this video will add some value for you guys. If you have any comment or feedback, do let me know. I will be meeting you soon with my new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.